everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to test a lot of new makeup. So it's almost a full face of first impression. We have some new foundation and powder, lip products, brushes. So yeah, we have a lot of new products. Are you interested in how I did this look? Then keep on watching. I already done my eyebrow, as you may see, because I don't have any new eyebrow products. Therefore I put them on before. We have some new brushes we will use, but not the sponge, because I already have one. And then we have this brush from Lindex Beauty. It's a Swedish brand, I think. And also a little stippling brush from the same brand. A new powder from Isadora and a new foundation. And for the rest of the face I will take my old products. So I think we will begin to open this so we see what brushes we have to work with. I feel like Real Techniques was a affordable brand earlier, and now they have become more expensive. So these are the brushes you get in the set. So this is actually for a baby cream, a stippling brush, but I think I would use it for like concealer maybe, or contouring. And a little eyeshadow brush. I think we will apply our complexion first today, so we start with a primer. This is from Avant. It's the Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. I got this in one of my Glossyboxes. And this is really hydrating. And for my T-zone, where I have large pores, I will use the Pore Professional from Benefit, a primer. So now I'm all primed, and I will use this foundation from Lumene. This is a new foundation for me. I think Lumene is a brand from Norway, maybe. But this is the Matte Oil Control Foundation, 00 Ultralight, Skin Balancing Full Coverage Oily to Combination Skin. I have tested one foundation from them before and it was so good, I loved it. But now I haven't seen it in the stores, so I think they doesn't make it anymore. Maybe this is as good, we'll see. So I apply on my hand. To apply my foundation, I will use a foundation or stippling brush from Kiko Milano. I think the color is pretty good. It's the lightest one. I think it's very hard to apply with that brush, so I will take my Real Techniques sponge instead. I don't know about the full coverage, but so you see my pimples. I will try another layer. I feel like the skin takes in all of the foundation, so it dries right away. Okay, so it's very hard to layer. Okay, I don't think this is full coverage as it claims to be, because you still see my pimples here and here, and some redness and also pimples. But other than that, I feel like it definitely dries down. It will not move on the skin. We put on some concealer to see if it helps the complexion. This is a concealer I received in my Goodiebox a couple of days ago. This is Claire Brightening Concealer in the shade 2 Natural. It has a really fun applicator, like a little brush. So we'll test this first on my pimples so we can see the color. Okay, it doesn't hide these either so good. maybe a little bit more than the foundation, but I will apply some Shape Tape from Tarte. And this will definitely hide my pimples. Okay, now I like my complexion much more. I will definitely continue to use this. I think it's very beautiful on the skin, but I will not use it in the combination of this. I don't know if I'm going to continue to use this at all. It's not terrible, but I conceal for good coverage, you know, because I want to make things disappear. And I don't feel like these do that, so it's nothing for me. Okay, we put on some contour. This is a contour stick from Max & More. You can buy this on the dollar store. I don't put on so much because we're going to use a powder contour as well. Oh no, I forgot. We'll try this one to blend, I think. The rest. It blends very good with this brush. That's a very good brush. I love that. And now we'll set this face. So we'll try the new loose setting powder from Isadora. Okay, so this reminds me of the Huda Beauty with this little net. I don't really know how to get this out. It gets like nothing out when I shake. What is this? How am I supposed to bake with this? I can't get it out. It like gets stuck in the net.
2,000 years later.
Now we can get in. I took away the net. I take my Pro HD powder contour from Revolution, and I will apply this color in combination with this. I take this little brush from Lindex and do my nose contour. Then I take my butter bronzer. This is the lightest. For blush, we take the BH Cosmetic Nude Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. Looks like this. And I apply that one with the same fluff brush. Okay, this is broken. But this is my Indie Beauty highlighter in the shade Selena. So I will put these on. And I take the same brush I used to contour my nose. And for eyeshadow, I will use the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. I take my Sigma Blending E25 and take that color Hush Hush. Then I take the little eyeshadow brush from Lindex and the shade Mystic. Then I take the Glitz and Glam just on my finger and apply it in the inner corner. I'm sorry, I had to go out with the dog. Yeah, we took this little eyeshadow brush and with excess product we start to draw under the lower lash line. So I take a black eyeliner pen And I put this in my waterline. Now I will draw my eyeliner. I use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. It's a matte black eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to put on some lipstick. This is Radio. And then I took some PBG smoothie stick. Yeah, so I will be right back and I go put on some lashes. That was everything for this video. I hope you liked this look. I really enjoyed it, and I will definitely use the foundation and the powder again. The brushes was as good as I expected. Real Techniques always have good brushes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. And I see you in the next video. Bye!